BINC's 23% crushes SCHI's 9% over 5 years, but those fees tell a different story altogether. BINC's 23% crushes SCHI's 9% over 5 years. That's a massive 14-point advantage in wealth creation. Over 3 years, the gap vanishes. BINC's 23% and SCHI's 24% are practically twins, showing similar long-term performance. SCHI's now outpacing BINC with 8% returns versus 6%. The tables have completely turned this year. BINC sprinted ahead early, building a comfortable lead. But SCHI's catching up fast in the final stretch. Think race cars battling down the home straight. BINC's 1.3 Sharpe ratio crushes SCHI's negative 0.3. More reward for every ounce of risk you're taking here. BINC's 1.7 Sortino ratio crushes SCHI's 1.0, delivering better returns for every unit of downside risk you're taking. BINC's drawdown protection shines here, just 2.4% versus SCHI's brutal 21% drop. That's real downside defense when markets turn ugly. BINC barely dipped 2%, while SCHI dove 21% down. Think swimming pool depth. One's ankle deep, the other's chest deep risk territory. BINC recovered in just 35 days, while SCHI took nearly 3 years. That's resilience you can actually measure. SCHI's complete wipeout versus BINC's positive return? That's the difference between losing everything and keeping your capital safe. Here's how they weathered the storm. BINC kept its head above water during its worst year, while SCHI went completely under when conditions turned brutal. BINC's 6% yield beats SCHI's 5%. That extra point means more income compounding in your pocket every year. BINC's crushing it with 38% dividend growth over 3 years. SCHI's 9% looks pretty weak in comparison here. BINC dominates across every metric. Better returns, minimal drawdowns, lightning-fast recovery. SCHI shows significant weakness, though recent performance hints at potential improvement ahead. BINC's dividend income grew 4 times faster than SCHI over 3 years. Think of it like leaves sprouting on your money tree. SCHI's 0.03% fee is 13 times cheaper than BINC's 0.4%. That's huge savings over time for investors. That 0.37% fee advantage compounds year after year, saving you serious money over decades of investing. SCHI's pennies versus BINC's dimes might sound small, but over decades, that couch change compounds into thousands you'll never get back from your returns. BINC spreads your bets across nearly 4,000 holdings. SCHI's 2,300 just can't match that coverage. BINC's nearly 4,000 holdings spread your risk thinner than SCHI's 2,300, meaning smoother rides through market turbulence. BINC spreads your investment across nearly 4,000 companies, while SCHI only uses 2,300. That's way more protection if things go south. BINC wins on protection with minimal drawdowns and superior risk-adjusted returns, while SCHI offers the lowest fees available. Let's help you find your match. BINC for stability seekers, SCHI for those who can handle the wild ride. BINC's stability helps you sleep well through market chaos, while SCHI's lower costs mean tolerating those gut-wrenching 21% drops. Standard disclaimers here. Do your homework, talk to professionals, and invest responsibly. If you enjoyed this battle, hit subscribe for weekly ETF comparisons backed by real verified data.